Welcome kids. Today we are going to learn standard 3rd subject English. Today we are learning about the sugar plum tree. Actually in our daily life we see so many kinds of tree in our surrounding like mango tree, guava tree, coconut tree. But we don't see the sugar plum tree. Means sugar plum tree, it's an imaginary tree which are having lots of candies or lollipops on that tree. So we will start our poem by reading. Unit 2, chapter number 11, The Sugar Plum Tree. Have you ever heard of the sugar plum tree? This, a marvel of great renown. It blooms on the shore of Lollipop Sea, in the garden of Shut-Eye Town. The fruit that it bears is so wondrously sweet, as those who have tasted it say, that the good little children have only to eat of that fruit to be happy next day. And this poem is from the book of The Sugar Plum Tree, and the poet is Eugene Field. Now we will see this poem by stanza. Have you ever heard of sugar plum tree? This a marvel of great renown. It blooms on the shore of Lollipop Sea, in the garden of Shut-Eye Town. Here we will see first line. Have you ever heard of sugar plum tree? The poet is asking that. Have you ever heard about the sugar plum tree? Generally in our surrounding we see many kinds of trees like mango tree, coconut tree, banyan tree. So many kinds of tree we will find. But we not ever heard about this sugar plum tree. What is this sugar plum tree? The poet said that this a marvel of great renown. This means it is. It is a marvel. Marvel means wonderful or amazing thing. Marvel means wonderful or amazing thing of great renown. Great renown means that is famous. Means this is very famous and amazing tree, that is sugar plum tree. And where it blooms on the shore of the Lollipop Sea. Here the poet said that this tree is blooms on the Lollipop Sea. Lollipop Sea means it's a imaginary sea, and in this sea it's having lots of lollipops over there, and this sea is covered with all lollipops. That's why this sea is called as Lollipop Sea. And the sugar plum tree is blooms near the shore of this Lollipop Sea, in the garden of Shut-Eye Town. Now here in the garden of Shut-Eye Town means this amazing, wonderful, famous tree is found in Shut-Eye Town. Here Shut-Eye Town means close-eyed. Shut means close, and eyes, close eyes. Whenever we are in sleep, that time our eyes are closed. So Shut-Eye Town means whenever we are in dream. The poet is in dream and he saw this town. There is a Lollipop sea shore, and on that seashore the sugar plum tree is bloom. Okay, next stanza. The fruits that it bears is so wondrously sweet, as those who have tasted it say, that the good little children have only to eat of that fruit to be happy next day. See here, lollipop tree. Which fruits you find here? Yes, here are lollipops. The poet says that these fruits are wondrously sweet. Means these lollipops are wondrously sweet. Whenever anyone eat that, they are like it to eat very much. So whenever one is tasted it this fruit, they said that mostly of the little children, whenever they eat this lollipop, then they wanted once again. So the poet said that the good little children have only to eat of that fruit to be happy next day. The next day once again they ask for this wondrously sweet fruit, that is lollipop. Okay, in this way, in this poem, this is a dream of a little child. He saw that the town that is uh, situated near the lollipop sea, and the shore of the sea of there is a lollipop tree, and it that blooms there, and they are having lots of lollipops or candies over there on that tree. And that fruits means these candies are very very sweet and wonderful. Whenever anybody eat this fruit, they want it next day, and they're demanding the same fruit for the next day. Okay, in this way we will learn this poem. Now we will see the glossary. This means it is. Marvel means a wonderful or amazing thing or a person. Then renown means something is of great renown, it is a famous, it is known to many people as good thing. Or wondrously, wondrously means wonderfully or amazingly. Now we will see the exercise. Question number 1. Write the names of the following from the poem. First, dash dash tree. The answer is sugar plum tree. Then dash dash sea. The answer is lollipop sea. Next, number C, dash dash town, that is Shatai town. Question number 2, answer the following questions. First, where does the sugar plum tree bloom? Answer is, it blooms on the lollipop seashore in the garden of Shatai town. B, why is the town called as Shatai town? Because the poet looks this town in his dream, so it is called as Shatai town. Number C, what happens if you eat the fruit of the sugar plum tree? Then whenever you eat the fruit of sugar plum tree, then I want it to next day also. Means you are demanding that fruit next day also. Question number 3 is using your imagination. Write about other wonderful things that you maybe find in Shatai town. You have to use your imagination and write down about your imaginary thing in Shatai town. Then number B is lollipop sea. You have to imagine about the lollipop sea and write down about the lollipop sea. Question number 4, write 3-4 lines about real fruit tree that you like. Wherever fruit tree you like most, you write down about that fruit in 3 or 4 lines. Question number 5, riddles time. Write proper fruit names. First, parrot love me, that is guava. My name and color is same, that is orange. Orange color and orange fruit. I am king of fruit, that is mango. Mango is the king of fruits. I am brown from outside and green inside, and share my name with a bird, that is kiwi. Kiwi is the name of bird also and fruit also. The first half of my name is something that you drink when you are thirsty, that is water. Whenever we are thirsty, we drink water, so watermelon. Number 6, the first half of my name is the name of an English boy who climbs the beanstalk. That boy is Jack. Jack climbs the beanstalk. So Jack, jackfruit. Answer is jackfruit. In this way we are learning this poem. Thank you.